Hey everybody, how you living? How you living? I wanted to share with you this journal that I created. Now, that's kind of messed up. I created this journal using one of the most beautiful kits I have ever bought or worked with. I'm telling you, this one, her name is, let me find her name, guys, because you know I'm going to get it wrong. Yes, I am. Let me find it. This is her. Her name is Louise Heinzel, I think is her name. Anyway, I will have her link to her Etsy shop down below. This kit, oh my goodness, was amazing. I've had it for over a year. Wouldn't use it. It was just too beautiful to use. I will show you something else that I made with part of the kit. Was this picture here. I created this for my room. I told her I would create one. I'm sorry, my lighting is just ucky, you guys. Yeah, it's not very, lighting is not very good. Let me close this down. Maybe that'll help. Yeah, that'll be all right. So I created this picture to have in my room with one of her kits. And I shared this on Facebook for you guys. Let me see if I can open my curtain and get a little natural lighting in here or something. So it won't look so blacky. It works a little bit. So I decided to take the rest of the kit and create a journal with it. Now, I used a 3-ring binder. Now, this binder is a vintage binder. I'm not sure of what year, but it is a loose leaf field notes binder. Has the name David Button on it. No, not Button, Sutton on it. I just left the cover blank because I just liked the way that it looked. And thought it would be perfect for this kit. Now, the spine is plain as well. And back here is. And I think I counted 64 pages, front and back. You have some bead dangles, all the sewing. I did with my sewing machine. I finally got it fixed. And I just used one of these little clips and some lace. And then I have a little dangle and a rusty key that I created to put on the spine. When you open it up, now this isn't overly embellished. I like a lot of writing room in my journals, so I don't overly embellish. For me, when I embellish a journal, I like to embellish it as I'm working in it. So I like to think a lot of people are the same way. I could be wrong, but that's my frame of thinking when I create a journal. So here it has a tuck up here, and this is just a music sheet. And I put some tea stain paper on the inside, did some distressing so you can journal there and add more stuff. Here you have a tag made with the kit, and there's the first page. And then up here is, in this pocket, if I can get it out, is a journal card, the vintage page on it. And the back is just yellow. You can do as you wish with it. I'm just going to stick it in here. And then here is a rusty paper clip I did, and then a little dangle on the side. And this is a pocket. You'll have pockets on each one of these pages, either at the top or the side. Beautiful bunny here. This is a kind of a pink, very light pink dyed paper. I didn't want this grungy. I wanted to have some vintage elements like the rust and all, but I didn't really want to grunge this up. I liked it the way that it is. So I did do some stamping. It says happiness can only exist in acceptance. And I have that stamp set right here. It's one of my newest stamp sets. It's by MSE, My Sentiment Exactly. It was on clearance for $3.99 from Hobby Lobby. So that is what I used for this journal. Turn the page. I did a little cluster here that's got a rusty safety pin on it, and did a little bit of clustering there. I thought it looked really, really cute. And again, some stamping. Here is another pocket here at the top of this page. And you have a little, let me find a piece of paper. We're just going to use this. A little tuck here that you can tuck something in. So, little pocket. I do have some little tags, little stamp I just tucked in here. And then you have a tag here. And it is distressed and sewn. You turn the page, you have a little pocket here. You've got this piece that opens up and you can journal on it, and another little tag. So there are things that's coming with this that you can do some more embellishing in this journal if you wish. Vintage German book page. Here's a little tuck with a tag. Some more stamping. Another pocket on this page at the top. Ain't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. She does amazing digital work. Absolutely love it. So gorgeous. And the thing about it is you can make these vintage. You can keep it bright and colorful. Whatever you want to do. I mean, these digitals are just beautiful by themselves. Here is a little cluster I made, and it is on a little, it's got a rusty paper clip that I did. Oh, there it is. Rusty paper clip. And then this folds out and you can journal on it. I got that idea from Shabby Dabby Doodah from Tina. I think, no, it wasn't Tina. It was Treasure Books, Natasha. Love her channel. Absolutely love her channel. So I got that idea from her. A little flower stamp there. A little quote. Here's a pocket here. And it has a bingo card in it. Vintage bingo card. For you to do as you wish with. A little round card that I got from a garage sale last summer. No, a couple summers? I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I just don't know. Some more stamping. This has a pocket at the top as well. Beautiful, beautiful journal. I love this journal. And then, oh, that page come undone. Oh no! Little cluster here, and you can tuck something in there. Little tuck here. You got another little tag. Some more stamping. You have a pocket right here to put things in. Shall we go have a little fun saying on here? Another tag with a little dangle on a rusty paper clip. More stamping. Here is, I like to call this a peekaboo tag. Has a lace on the front, and then you lift it up and you see the image, but it kind of peeks through, so I call it a peekaboo tag. I thought that was really cute. And it tucks right there. This has another big journal card, like the yellow one in there, tucked in that pocket. Here is a little pocket. It's a pocket page, and it has all kinds of these little pockets here that has little pieces of ephemera, tags, and stuff that you can create with. But you have a pocket here, one here, and then a big one here. And then you can still journal on the back. Another one of the flip out journal pages with a rusty paper clip. Vintage German page. I really like this. Here is a pocket on the side that you can add stuff in. more stamping. Here's a little place that you can tuck something in. One of my little clusters I made. Another tag with a little dangle and a rusty paper clip. And then the last page here that has the pocket here. And then here's another multi-pocket page. It's got a pocket here, here, and here, and then a big pocket here in the back that you can add something in. And then the lace is here just to give it a little extra something. And then you close it. And the lace, you can undo it to make it to where as you grow in this journal, the lace, just take this little dangle off and extend your lace. So it gives you a bigger closure. So there is my journal that I created. If you are interested in this, let me know. I know you keep seeing my arm, and I'm sorry, but I got to be able to see what I'm doing here. This here is a 5.5 by 7.5 hardcover through ring vintage binder journal, 64 pages, front and back. Has tags and ephemera. It will have some extras. This is $35. Does include shipping, PayPal, PayPal only, US only, friends and family. So if you're interested in this, leave me a comment down below. Send me an email. Hit me up on Facebook. And yeah. There it is, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please leave a comment down below. Right down there. Hit that subscribe button. I hope you will consider that. The notification bell so you know when I upload again, which I hope on a regular. If this setup works, gosh, I hope it does, because I'm ready to get some content rolling up on my channel. Thank you guys so much again. All my links are down below. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And as always, goodbye, God bless, and I'll see y'all again soon.